welcome to Sandpaper. মই হলো আপোনালোকৰ আশ্মিতা বা আৰু এটা দীঘল পিৰিয়ড লগে আপোনালোকে মোক দেখা নাছিলে এতিয়া দেখিব আৰু I was very busy যেতিয়া আমাৰ crash course rapid revision foundation these that আৰু মোৰ পাৰ্টটোৱে একেলগে আহি পৰিছে হি so it was like very hodgepodge so এতিয়া আমাৰ test series over এটা current affairs or test আছে বাকি এটো কালি হৈ যাব আমাৰ current affairs over rapid revision one more day over crash course one more day over aur he one more day keta more day so hekane I was all prothome ye sab khatam kar lete hain then I'll come and speak to you guys but we were uploading the videos from the best teachers of Sandpaper Gyandeep teo ahile duta bahut perfectly analyzed videos put korise it was reciprocated with much love and we are very thankful that you have received him with open heart and open hands and baki amar expert teacher Chanika Pushpanjali Kaustubh Nishant everyone is doing their best I hope you are happy with whatever we have done and we are closing to 1 year so thoda sa chota sa celebration also will do on our part but today etu jonno notification na karone aji moi ahisu already ami telegram ot disu already more than 100 registrations we have received already but I thought no announcement is complete without me and coming and talking to you guys so officially although we have posted this 2 days ago we at Sandpaper Academy are announcing Anushilon 3.0 one all Assam mock test for APSC prelims 2024 and that mock test is going to be held on 12th May 2025 so ami joa bosoro patisilu joa bosoro 70 plus registration hoisile lorasuli kola tetia amar app nasile ami Google Sheet we took the test but this time we are prepared full you only have to register yourself at www.sandpaper.guru jodi apuni online exam diye ar jodi offline exam diye Google form to apuni nijor naam ata pata whatever is there you fill it up ami apna communicate korim apuni ahibo lagibo zoo road we have full perfectly aligned infrastructure related classrooms those you have come you have already seen SK Hazarika college opposite at ahi pelebo bohibo aram se give the test so Anushilon 3.0 boli kyo ami naam disu because Anushilon 1.0 Anushilon 2.0 etu ami last year APSC CC 2023 mains or agot mock test patisilu and this time it is related to prelims so it's Anushilon 3.0 and we have received massive response to Anushilon 1.0 and 2.0 so we have finally come with 3.0 also you know most probably yeah it is absolutely free for everyone it is absolutely free for everyone it is one test GS paper de etu amak already kunbai hudise GS paper CSAT nohoy okay we have made one GS paper 100 marks 200 marks 100 questions eke time ot 9:30 ami exam to on kori dim jone offline ahibo teoloke 9:30 bohi test dibo lagibo proper admit card apnalokor issue hobo you will have to put it up OMR sheet or apni color koribo lagibo submit koribo lagibo then we will check and give the answer back to you jun hokole online dibo they will have to go to www.sandpaper.guru tat eta free profile banabo lagibo then through that apnaloke janeke amar normal test series or lorasoli hokole janeke di ase perfectly janeke online test hoy heneke online test apnaloke dibo paribo ami in Sandpaper we are encouraging people to come offline okay because I don't think anyone else is providing an offline test series etu ami gom na paisilu student hokole amak koise je our test series is both online and offline so people are coming and giving their test so we encourage students to come offline to come and give the test kyo kyunki sauk exam o kane aji jetia ajir pora if we look at 30 days ase so 30 days ot apni ghoror comfort ot bohi pele eta test dia to beleg eta bostu jodi upay nai apni you are a working professional you are in some college and you don't stay in Guwahati then thik hai I understand apni ghorot bohi you give your best but jodi apnaloke pare if you stay nearby Guwahati because people from Tejpur have registered that they are coming and giving the test here তো যদি আপোনালোকে পাৰে, if you can, যদি অলপো possibility আছে কি আপুনি আহি exam দিব পাৰে, we encourage in Sandpaper to come and give your test offline. Why? আপুনি the examination set of mind dot ahi pela exam দিব পাৰিব. You can look at the side wala person ki apuni kenuka da mental state ot ase, agor manujon kiman mental state ot ase. Then examination or juntu environment hoy, hetu offline not will be much better available. And we are at the heart of Guwahati. You can easily accessible. Raste ke upar hi building liya hai. Why? So that you can come and access your all this infrastructure very, like, nicely. Then why not? So amar jonto Google form hoy of registration ami comment section ot moi etu logai dim. Time 9:30 am, date 12th May. Eko last date rakha nai ami registration or karne. But 11th loke apnaloke registration kori lobo, because tetia loke amiu print out center ulabo lagibo kiman lorasoli ahibo ki. So we encourage you to do it offline so that you can come, sit, have the examination set of mind. If you do it online, june already DSA test amar teoloke to gome pai, it's awesome. A1 portal, we have prepared it for you, exactly like how, like, the big corporations have them. Apni jetia online exam dibo jai kobat same set we have replicated in sandpaper.guru. Khali attempt etai pabo, baki test series okole 10 paise. So only one attempt you will be able to get, and it's absolutely free. Dubar koiso so that it gets in your mind. And this is it. I hope we'll see you on 12. Thank you.